what is
Both are
discussion?
giving and taking.
What do you think is right?
If I think you go back to one of 5-10 slides, I think that's the language part that you put on the side. I don't agree.
The
And
only
let's
difference
discuss.
is who and what. In an argument, we are always looking for who is right. In a discussion, we always look for
What is right?
what is right.
Who is right is what is right.
Who is right versus what is right. Now, the word agreement, disagreement have been used quite often since yesterday. Is it important for me to agree with everything you say? No. I don't agree with you. Go. I don't agree with you also. I don't agree with you also. What will happen?
Disconnect.
Argument.
Disconnect.
Disconnect. Argument again. So what is it? How do we get in a discussion? Also, I would disagree with you. How is it that I would like to get into a discussion? What should be my language?
Put across mutual telling that
Positive.
Very good.
So burger method where
win-win. See, end of the day, you need to, as you told, the context should win, not the person should win.
First of all, what is it that is required?